Greetings, welcome to another boring and poorly produced video. This one's about my Overland rack. So I fabricated this bracket out of some scrap metal to try to correct the poor engineering of my overlanding rack. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. I only hope it works. This rack from Overland, Xtrusion Overland, I got it because it's nice and customizable, and it's actually seems very high quality material. They were almost impossible to order from, but this design is really poor. The weight from the rack lands outside the ridge of the truck bed. Plus this, where it lands, is so narrow, it just cuts into the plastic of the top of the truck bed. So I made this custom piece to try to arrest. You can see how it's pulling up on that bed rail, because when the weight lands here, it wants to fulcrum out and pull this out. So I've made this custom bracket. So the bracket then is designed to catch the weight and bring it more in a straight down onto the rail fashion. It's certainly not perfect. I just couldn't quite figure out a way to get the weight from the crossbar itself straight down. So, it isn't perfect. I think it will help. I think it will work. I think it will arrest the deterioration, so to speak, the slumping. And there's its final configuration, I guess. I suppose I could add one more bolt sort of in the middle there, but it's catching weight up here, which is directly above the rail, and taking it straight down. And, I've got those extra, caps to help keep it from cutting in, spread the weight a little bit. Now the thing to do is add a bunch of weight and go out and beat it to heck and see what happens. So this is the rack all put back together, and yes, I do have quite a lot of weight on it. This front runner tank has something like 11 gallons of water, and I've got the box and the awning and all this stuff. So maybe it is too much weight, but even though they don't give you a number of how many pounds you can put on it, I really think that given the high quality of all the individual components, that if this particular design were better, it would hold a lot of weight without failing. Thanks for watching.